Hello everyone, how's it going? Everything? It's been a long time. I'm not uploading any kind of video on YouTube, so I thought uh, I should upload a video for just stay updated on YouTube. Yeah, that's it. And don't worry. Today I'm gonna share with you uh, tools. It's really helpful and it's completely free. So don't worry. This tool is best for you know checking the local SERP. For example, if you are not in US or New York City and you wanted to see the exact SERP result of that city, you can see this SERP result by this tool, and it's completely free and very useful. There are a lot of tools out there, but I've been using this for quite a long time. So yeah, I'm going to show you this. Let me show you. Here is the keyword. You can like, if I wanted to search service service. For example, SEO service near me, right? So SEO service near me. United States, and I want to see the exact serve result from New York because I'm not live in New York City, so how can serve this, right? So I'm gonna right here, and you know, I mean, and New York. So sorry for this misspelling. Okay, so geocode, if I click on here, it will automatically get the location. So now I'm gonna search here, click search and see. So you can see the exact result, right? And you don't need to pay for this. This tool's absolutely free. So this way you can uh, you know research your local competition. I think it will be helpful for you. So leave a link in the description. You can check it out. Thank you.